Hey lemlisters! I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you're ready to be amazed. As you know, here at lemHERO, it is our mission to help our customers pursue their professional goals and grow their business. To do this, we have built a huge community where we all support each other and help each other out, and lemlist is the tool that can help you realize it all. More specifically, it allows you to build meaningful relationships with your prospects through personalized outreach campaigns, book more meetings, and ultimately close more deals. So this year, our amazing sales team said to themselves, let's stop doing outbound sequences for lemlist and instead do them for our clients for free. You might have heard of the project already. It's called lemHERO. One of our very first lemHEROs were Iliès and Julien from Visum, a software that helps you identify what tools are connected to an email address. They created 2 outbound sequences together with Simon, which achieved up to 89% open rates, 20% reply rates, and 20% interested rates, which means that 20% of their prospects were open to book a meeting with Visum. And you know what's super cool? Today, we actually have Iliès and Julien with us here to talk about their lemHERO experience. So hey everyone, today I have Iliès and Julien with me, 2 co-founders of Visum, a software that lets you understand what kind of tool an email address is connected to. And Julien and Iliès both participated in our lemHERO program, so today we're going to see how they experienced it.
Yeah, we're glad to be here with you to talk with you about our experience with lemHERO. You said you have some questions for us?
Yes, I do. First question, if you had to explain or define your lemHERO experience in one word, what would it be?
One word? I think it will be caviar.
Caviar?
Caviar, yeah.
Okay, so you had a good experience with Simon during the lemHERO experience?
Yeah. So we talked a lot with Simon before lemHERO, since 1 year ago, actually. So he challenged us about our project, he advised us. So we are very in good terms with him, and we are very happy to work with him about this project and these sequences.
Okay, and so you signed up for lemlist. You said last year you already had a trial, but didn't feel like your company was already mature enough to actually use it. And then you signed back up earlier this year. What was your business goal? Like, what was your main KPIs for using lemlist?
So before lemHERO, we used lemlist because we only did inbound strategies on LinkedIn. We posted content and post on this social network to propose value to our users or other people who didn't know us yet. But there was a lot of people who were not qualified. So we lost a bit our time. They were curious, but not interested to try the tool or to buy it. So with the lemHERO approach, it was better for us because Simon and Nadja came toward us with hyper qualified leads. So we knew that if we met them, we can convert them into a prospect and then into opportunities. And that's why it was very interesting to work with them on this project.
And actually, with the inbound strategy, we cannot generate our ICP with this strategy. So we decided with Simon to generate another market just to test
Value proposition.
Yeah, another value proposition to find another
other opportunity.
Voilà.
How would you describe overall the human experience of working with Simon? How was it?
It was very great.
So amazing.
Yeah, amazing because we know Simon since 1 year ago. He challenged us about our project. He advised us. He's the best. Yeah.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah.
We love Chef Simon.
Yeah, especially him. Yeah.
And so before lemHERO, when you were using lemlist, the tool, what were your main challenges with it? Prospecting, doing outbound sequences?
I think it's both the lead generations and the creation of the sequence. The main challenge before lemHERO was to create a hyper-personalized sequence according to the lead. With lemHERO, Simon and Nadja create hyper-personalized seconds for us. So it was our main challenge.
Yes.
Okay, and do you feel that since you've had this lemHERO project together with Simon
Mhm.
and worked with him on it, do you feel like you've learned something so that you can use lemlist in a more effective way in the future?
Yeah, I think I will tell you why, because Julien used lemlist after lemHERO with his own sequences, and we saw there is before and after, because when we saw the sequences that Simon and Nadja made, we saw very good icebreakers and hooks that get replies and a good open
Rates.
Yeah, with a good open rate. It was very inspiring. So we took this as an example for others campaign, and this
Exactly. We have a base, and we can test and iterate for each campaign we launch.
That's awesome. Cool. And so since the lemHERO project, you've launched your own campaigns and you can already see better results than you did before.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's cool. Since you started creating campaigns after lemHERO, do you see a change in the way that you organize yourself, or do you feel like your routine for sending out your sequences has changed since lemHERO? Do you organize yourself differently, or?
Yeah, of course, because from the start we had 0 strategies. So of course it's better now because we have one. I think it has improved our strategies and our workflow with outbound, because now we know what to put in the sequences to hooks prospects and leads to capture their intention. And Julien had a good result with the others campaign you did.
And also currently, before create a content for a specific target, we can just test with an outbound strategy with lemlist, just to know if the target is interested to the content, and if we have a good reply rate.
And if
ça va être mis, c'est sûr. And if we are a good reply, and if we are a good reply rate,
and if we have
a good reply rate. C'est incroyable, c'est incroyable. C'est incroyable. En plus, si je le dis en gros off, reply rate, ça va.
Non, mais tu sais que t'es filmé, donc.
And if we are a good reply rate, we can just launch the content to our blog, to in LinkedIn, at scale.
Okay, that's awesome. And I think the last question, has the lemHERO project had an impact on your feeling towards the brand lemlist? Do you feel more or less attached?
I think the answer is evident, because we wouldn't be here.
Yeah.
Of course, we love your team. We speak it a lot since 1 year ago, as I said, with Simon, with Guillaume, Marwan, Lucille, and others. So we have a lot of pleasure to work with you, and we were very surprised when you proposed us to work with you on this project, because it was an opportunity for us to have your advices and your experience about outbound campaign. So thank you. Thank you a lot.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for taking the time to come over here.
Thank you.
Yeah, it was a pleasure.
And yeah, it was a pleasure to have you on the lemHERO program, and for Simon to threaten you with a banana.
And subscribe to lemlist channel.
Subscribe, please.
So now, hit the right button right now.
Smash this button right now.
Subscribe button. If you would like to know all the details about how our friends from Visum and Simon created the sequence, don't hesitate to check out Simon's video about it. My favorite part is, note to self, watch Simon's videos Just kidding. My favorite part is when Simon eats a broomstick. Also, if you have any questions about your specific challenges related to lead generation, don't hesitate to leave your question in the comments. Or even better, join our Facebook community of over 18,000 members. It's full of awesome people who love helping each other out. The link is in the description. In the meantime, stay amazing, and I'll see you in the next video.